All right, we've got natural gas consolidating at a potential support level, although it could still keep falling. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So as we've been talking, in previous days, we have this large parallel trend channel defined by the boundary lines, the purple boundary lines, and the highlighted area. The pattern was created once this second low here generated this uptrend line. It was copied and then added on to this high here, and then confirmed here, here, and then a false breakout there, and then it reversed to the downside, and now it's heading towards the other side of the channel. Notice that it's never, once the channel was established at this point, it's never tested this lower trend line. So this is the first approach of the lower trend line, which leads me to believe that it's going to hit it before this correction is done, potentially, or get closer to it, and that would be a 78.6% retracement, or maybe a little lower at 279 currently. However, it is sitting on a potential support zone defined by the anchored VWAP, anchored volume weighted average plus price, anchored to the trend low way down here in February 2024. So the lower the trend, anchored VWAP finds support right where we are now. So that's potentially significant. Although there could be a quick drop below it and then a quick recovery. And so the 78.6 could still be hit and then a recovery back up. And you can see the last time the light blue is the anchored VWAP. It was tested here for the first time as support. It held, price took off, and now this is a second test. The only difference here is that, or a big difference here, is that it's now trading below the blue 200 moving average, which now defines some resistance. Before, you could see over here, it was support, the 200 moving average. But there's also one other thing. If we look at this decline here, this is the biggest correction since the rally began, or within this channel. And if we look at our current correction, it's slightly below there now. Uh, sorry, around 42% or so. I don't think I have it on that exact type, but today's article highlights it as well. And so there's a match, there's symmetry between these two swings, and we're hitting and sitting on potential support of the anchor VWAP. So that means that a bullish reversal is going to trigger above today's high, currently at 298. That could lead to a reclaim of the 200 and then a continuation of a bounce. Or it goes down quickly, finds support, and then reverses. That's the expectation right now anyway. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great weekend.